we talk about CD, which is continuous delivery. Now there are two terms here. First one is the delivery, where you have your output from your CI, then this output file or output format is picked up and you know deployed into various environments continuously. So whenever there's a new output from a CI pipeline, it is picked up, it is deployed, there's a set of test cases or QA validation done, and it is released to the production. So there is in case of a continuous delivery, there is no manual effort or a manual process. As soon as there's a build, it will go ahead and deploy, and then there's a build, it will deploy, validate using automated test cases, and release it to production. So this is more there is no, as I said, there is no manual, everything is automated.